Good morning, Team Ismash. How is everybody doing today? Welcome back to I said that right. Good morning, Team Ismash. Everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. And today is excavation day. So late start to the day, but you don't know. Go on. I want 2 foot bucket that up there, sir. I want 2 foot bucket that up there, sir. Why you didn't use that one there? Oh, it burst. Oh. This is where the septic will be installed. So the septic is 16 long, remember 10 wide and 10 deep. So it will have the part where we collect the scum, the sludge and the baffle, and the side where water come over to, and then it go over onto the tile field. So I know I mentioned in one of the previous vlogs that it was a pit we're going to dig, but the owner changed things. So the building plan is basically a guide that we are using, like a reference what we are using. And the owner has changed it to a tile field and a septic, not a septic and a pit. So this morning they mark out where exactly the backhoe should be cutting, and then the backhoe is going to excavate where the sewer is going, and yeah, this whole thing is bulk excavation. So this is the 3 foot bucket when you say you have any. Oh, here's a pop up because I want to do quick lock one there. So there's a broke off, and therefore I use basically the bucket that you would use to cut a trench. So this will take twice the amount of time, and we can after this portion come down because that don't make no sense. You can see different soil type. So another important thing, guys, is when you're doing these excavations, you try your best to keep the spoil as far away from the excavation as possible. A minimum of 3 feet is recommended. And don't start go too close to this already, so I don't know, probably can batter off that when we finish. But yeah, keep it as far as from the excavation, because you don't want rainfall or anything run back down in there, or if somebody will work down there, anything collapse or anything like that. So for safety reasons and to conserve on effort. So guys, if we were building a pit now, we would be going as deep as where we could find a soak away, a point where water could naturally drain away. Because if we go down there and buck up on loam or clay soil, you know that will create like a bucket, like a pot, and that will cause your pit to fall a little bit quicker than expected. So we'll go as deep as to find our soak away. But with this now, we don't need all of that, because we're going to build it up and kind of tank it. Yeah, we're going to tank it, so we don't need all of that. So now you need more space for work, so you might clear with a spoil here over another mount there, and then give me 10 feet, and tomorrow again before any more excavation can go on. So just aim for 10 feet and that right. Create a movie. Yeah, create a movie. Alright, see here now, guys. Not close, but far. Far. Guys, need to tape while I'm gonna cut my hand. See it flick up Alright, just clean out that side there and come dig over here, so. Not gonna deep over there, so just clean that out and come dig over here, so. Look at that damn little. So guys, tomorrow now when we come back and cut out all of this, might as well we batter off the faces or the edges, so we have less chances of anything caving in. So let's go. Let us fast forward into tomorrow. Morning again, Team Ismash. Fast forward to day 2. We are, yo, why am I always say it like that? Like, we are. But currently, the guys are moving the marl. As you can see, we have, no, I don't think we can see. But as you can see right now, we have a bit too much marl in the yard. Some of the marl is going to be used on another side, so it is going to be transported out the side via the backhoe and the truck outside. Now, let's go have a look at the progress of the excavation of the septic, of course. That got me nervous. So yeah guys, don't know if you guys can see, but the sun is beaming. 14 by 10 by 16. Anybody tell me how much cubic feet, yard or meter that is? I don't know, my cash up on or something. JK. So this is the bulk excavation for the septic. I see one then go down there and start lay some block. Or come up, as I said, the baffle is going closer to this side. Cause one that side is bigger than this side. So closer to this side, whoop, 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 tile field or leach field, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, we should be wrapping up soon. Or just, of course, this has to be cleaned out, and I think that's gonna be our septic vlog. So whenever construction start for that, we'll walk into it and we'll talk more about it, and you know, have some fun on the channel. But as I say, this is taking place right now. Cartaway. This is an idea of how much more we have around here, so. Down here, sir? Hold on. So guys, that concludes my day. This vlog, that concludes this vlog, and I did a watch over about the footage. I say 655 yard, and we did for say 155 yard, but honestly looking at it, I believe it's more than that, so more than 155. So as always, thank you guys for supporting the channel, thank you for subscribing, leaving your guys' comment, you know, interacting with me. It is always one of the coolest things that can ever happen. So big up all the people them where I donate to the PayPal link down in the description. You guys are supporting the channel, allow me for the more and more. Truly appreciate you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the content, and yeah, I'm gonna be here for years, so stay tuned. And as I said, there's no better time to join the channel than right now. The team Ismash, thank you guys for watching this vlog once again. Next vlog will be on site number 2, so big up on yourself. I am out. Bless upon yourself.